We've looked at setting up the intercompany chart of accounts, dimensions, and intercompany customers and vendors so far. When we post intercompany documents or journal lines, a matching document or journal line is sent to our intercompany outbox. We then push this through to our partner who can post this transaction in their company. This allows us to avoid redundant actions like re-entering the same data across your companies. When we post sales and purchase documents, the intercompany partner code makes sure that the orders and invoices generated for our customers and vendors produce the relevant matching documents in the partner company. So let's have a look at creating and sending a sales order for an intercompany partner customer. Before we continue, very quickly, we can send sales and purchase orders to the partner before we actually begin posting. However, with invoices and credit memos, they will require posting before they can be sent. Now, beginning with the sales orders, we'll go to create a new one. And this sales order will be for a customer that I've created for a company that I've created recently, Atlas Limited. If we actually take a quick look at the Atlas Limited customer card, we can see that I've set them up as ICP40 as their intercompany partner code. And if we just drill into the intercompany partner details, we can see first of all that the customer number and the vendor number has been created. I've created an intercompany version of this customer for purchase and sales purposes. And more importantly, we have the transfer type of database, which instructs Business Central that this intercompany partner is for a company that's held within the same database that holds this company, the Cronus UK Limited company. And in company name, we've specified the name of the company that we're dealing with. So if we go back to the sales order, we'll enter a line for the item 1900S in the location code blue and just for a quantity of 3. So with this sales order as it is now, we can actually post and transact on this as is necessary. However, we'd like to send this to our intercompany partner. So we'll go to Actions, Functions, Send Intercompany Sales Order. You can see that this automatically releases the document. And if we go to our intercompany outbox, there is now a new entry that shows that the sales order is ready to be sent to our intercompany partner. At this point, it's just a matter of, if we're happy with how this looks, going Functions and Send to Intercompany Partner. It's no longer visible here, which shows that it has gone. And all that's left now is to go to our Atlas Limited company. And from here, we'll come out of this first of all, and we'll go to our intercompany inbox, where we should see the transaction we've just sent from Cronus UK Limited. So if we're happy with how this looks, we simply go Functions and Accept, and that clears the entry from the inbox transactions. And we can now go to Purchase Orders, and we can see that a new purchase order has been created for Cronus UK Limited. This contains the item number, and the quantity, as well as other details that have come through from the sales order itself. We can see that the vendor has also been automatically populated. And looking at this particular vendor entry, you can see that this intercompany vendor has been assigned an intercompany partner code of ICP40, and this was all set up previously in my Atlas Limited demo company. If we look into the intercompany partner entry, we can see that the transfer type again is database, letting Business Central know that both companies are within the same database. Only this time we've specified that this is specifically for Cronus UK Limited. I've also created another customer and vendor number and specified the receivables and payables account to allow the transacting between the two companies. With this all done and all set up, the purchase order and the sales orders can both be dealt with by their respective companies through the standard process, and everything is good to go.